Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, it's still alive. Yes, I'm still alive. Yes, I'm still continuing YouTube. But for real this time. So it's 2018 and it's a brand new year. I mean, we're in February, we're in like the end of February, but that's okay because you can start your goals at any time you want, at any moment. You don't have to wait for the new year to feel like you have to start something fresh then. You can start fresh almost at any time. So it's a new year and it's a new reinvention and new construction of this channel. Some of you may have noticed that I'm no longer X normal, X but X weird, and I actually changed my YouTube channel name to Evelyn, which is like my Instagram handle name that I've had for the last like 2 years, and so rebranded. I also changed my vlog channel name with Eve or with Evie, however you pronounce it. So yeah, I'm super excited to be back on YouTube. YouTube's changed so much. There was a time, probably 2014 was a really good year for me in YouTube when I was uploading consistently, like once a week or twice a week, and I was doing all these challenges and all these games and things like that, and it was super exciting and super fun. But then I got my full-time job after I graduated high school, and after that my time just kind of went downhill because I didn't have time with full-time school and full-time work. It was really hard to make videos. However, I'm still at my full-time job and I'm still doing full-time school, but I'm on a different work schedule now. So I actually work in the mornings, and so I get off at 2:30 and I go to school, but I still find myself a lot of times sitting here at home in my bed watching Netflix or just scrolling on social media on my phone, and I'm like, I have so much time. I need to find some friends. Or at least a hobby, and why not pick up a hobby that I used to love and I used to do? So here we are, YouTube. Making videos is one of my passions. It's been one of my passions for so long, and I actually am really excited that I have time to do this again. So this is just kind of like a life update. I've been working, going to school, still for communications. I moved out of the first house I moved into, and so this is my second house that I moved into. But I'm only here for a few months, and then I think I'm actually gonna buy a house this year. So I'm gonna go house hunting here soon. Things are flying. 2018 I feel like is a year I've set a lot of goals for myself too, which is really, if you guys have a goal, seriously write them down, put them in a journal, hang them up in your wall, put them in your phone. But goals are so much more powerful when you actually have them, are constantly being reminded about them. So for 2018, I've started going to the gym. I've started going with a personal trainer and doing like a food plan, workout plan, and that's just starting. So we'll see how that goes. I'm super excited about it. My goal is to bring this YouTube channel back to life. I don't know how many of 216 of you are still here or still watching. If you are, hi. Sorry I've been gone for so long, and if you're new, then hi too, and welcome to this journey with me, and we can be new together, or start this new journey together. Another goal I'm working on is I'm writing my book, and it should be published around mid-2018. I'm really excited for that. I've been writing since I was a little girl, and this is going to be a very special personal book that I feel a lot of people can relate to, so that's in the works. And then also a special project that's in development right now that won't be launched until hopefully around summer. So that's going to be super cool to announce too when the time comes. My goal this year too is to be personal growth and to like find myself. I know that sounds super cliche, but it's true. I've been having a lot of problems. I've always had a lot of problems, especially mentally and emotionally, spiritually. So I'm trying to find myself. I'm trying to find the things that I love to do, trying to find my niche, trying to find just things that make my soul happy. Especially now because I have time. Like before, when I was working a swing shift schedule, I didn't have time to do anything. And now that I'm on day shift, I have a lot more time to do a lot more things. So why not focus on things that make me happy? I started up my vlog channel again. I'll put the link down in the description box if you want to go check it out. I've been vlogging every day for the last 3 days, and it's reminded me how much fun it is and how much I love vlogging. Just random things throughout my day or thoughts, and I just love sharing like what's going on up here to people. Hopefully people are watching, but either way, it's a good way for me to release all my thoughts and emotions into video making and vlogging. So that channel's been up for the last 3 days, and I'm super excited to get this one back up. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me. I have some ideas. I kind of want to take this channel and turn it into my photography channel, a lifestyle channel, positive energy, personal growth, things like that, because I've been really wanting to block out all negative energies and just really focus on trying to live a happy, healthy life. And that's a lot easier said than done, but I feel like it's possible for all of us, and so this is the way I'm kind of going to go about this route, and why not share my journey with you guys. I don't want to make this video too long, so there's not much else really. Just want to say hi, I'm back, and I actually have time now to be back, so 2018 should be a good one. So yeah, that was just kind of like a quick little video, quick little life update of my goals and what I want this channel to be, and that I'm back and my vlog channel's back, and I've been really in the mood to create a lot lately, like create anything, create photo shoots, paintings, videos, all that stuff. So I'm trying to find people, friends, to help me with all my projects that I have going on, and I'm excited to put them up on this channel. I think that's it for now. So thanks for watching, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel because a lot of big things are coming, a lot of cool things are coming, and things that you guys will also be able to participate in. All my social media is in the link below, and my vlog channel as well. And I'm just so happy to be back, guys. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye!